Greetings, friends. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I am back home in the Shave Nation laboratory, as a lot of you like to call it. You can see my brick wall back here. It's like a prison cell. That's right. I'll tell you what, being in Greece was a lot more fun than being in this prison cell. Anyway, I'm back home. I'm going to do a shave with, guess what? Haven't done one of these in forever. A Shave Nation razor right here. This is the SN245. It's a step-up razor is what it's called. Let's take it out of the package here. The reason it's called that is that it has steps on the handle. 1, 2 right there. So if any of you gents, which I know some of you do because I read the comments and I respond to a lot of them, you have trouble gripping the razor, this razor is going to suit you very well because there's no way once you grab onto it, no way it's slipping out of your hand. See these deep grooves, smooth polished in the grooves, and then knurling above and below, knurling all the way down. So very easy to grip. It's a 3-piece razor, got the Shave Nation logo right up on the top there. Let's disassemble. 7 turns to disassemble it. Here's the top cap. Here's the safety bar. I haven't used a derby blade in forever, so let's go with the derby blade today. Here's what it looks like in the paper, and here's what it looks like out of the paper. It says Derby Extra, if I can get it turned the right way for you. Super stainless on one side, and then the same thing in Turkey, I believe, Turkish on the other side. These are made in Turkey. Derby shaving cream is made in Turkey, I believe. Does it say on here? I think it's Turkey. If I'm wrong, it doesn't say on here, but I think it's Turkey. If I'm wrong, please correct me. Amusebot. I'm just thinking I've always thought it's Turkey, but we'll double check. Let's insert the blade right over the threaded post and the 2 pins like so. Reinstall the safety bar and then the handle. Screw that back on. Lock it down tight. See that reveal? That reveal looks really good to me. How about you? Looks even on both sides. Many of you already know I'm a big fan of Taylor of Old Bond Street shaving cream. Usually I use it in the jar, but did you know that it also comes in a tube? Let's check it. Good old tube of Taylor of Old Bond Street Sandalwood shaving cream. It is 2.5 ounces, so that's under your TSA regulations. Should be able to take this on the plane with you. There it is. I've got my Shave Nation Artisan bowl warming up in hot water. I just poured the water out. Let's squirt a little bit down in there. Right down into the bottom of the bowl. It's got the lather spot. It's got the raised lines. Just fill up that lather spot down there like so. Very simple. I'm using the Shave Nation. It's a synthetic brush, but it's black bristles. Pretty cool looking brush. If you like things blacked out, you'll really like this. Just going to soak it under the hot water. Shake out the bulk of the water, as you normally do with synthetic brushes. We'll go right in here. It's kind of funny that you shake most of it out. Otherwise, you'll have too much water in your lather. And then just go back in and add it sparingly to thin up your lather. You can see it's really thick right now. Just going to add a little bit of hot water to the mix. And that'll help generate lather quicker. Just pressing the tips down into the lather spot and the friction it creates when the bristles run over those raised lines will help you generate lather quickly. A little bit more water. See the lather comes around the edges, just scoop that back in. Good to go. Plenty of lather for several passes right there. You can see substantial beard growth today. Let's warm it up. We'll get right to the shave. Did you hear that? Does your faucet whistle like mine? At the certain setting, the water will whistle when it's coming out of the tap. It's kind of funny. All right, here we go. You can see my face is good and red, warmed up. Let's lather up. Starting on the right side, working our way over to the left side. And you know, apply that shaving cream however you want. Dab it, paint it, swirl it. Just cover all the areas you intend to shave so they're protected. Hydrate the beard to prepare it for the shave ahead. Figure 8, smooth everything out, set that brush down. Swipe the lips, swipe the neck, clear the runways. Okay, here we go, the Shave Nation SN245 Step Up razor. Called Step Up because of these grooves in the handle. Under the hot water, let's get a good picture of it. All right, under the hot water, here we go. We'll start on the right side. Ooh, pretty aggressive. More aggressive than I thought this was going to be. Clean that up easily. Okay, one side filled. Can you see that stubble on there? Other side. Flip it over. Work your way down. You can drop it right into the palm and hold that upper groove. Very easy to grip. Both sides are filled. Rinse. There's that whistle. Left side. Here we go. Cut the sideburn. Pretty filled up, so we'll flip it over. Cleft. Right down the neck. All right, both sides filled up. Rinse that. As you can see, my hands are wet. No problem holding it. Under the nose, just scoop right under. Very good. Rinse. Now a slight rinse to the face. Just feel around. If you are smooth enough, you could stop right here. You're done. One pass. But I like to go one more just to get super smooth. Let's re-lather for our second pass. Plenty of lather here. Just a light coating this time. The bulk of the beard has already been removed, so just a little bit. Thin coating of lather. Set the brush down. Clear the runways one more time. First pass was north to south with the grain. Now we'll go across the grain. Getting some feedback from the blade. You can hear it. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse. Across the grain on the upper lip area, just start with the corner, clean under the nose, then lay it flat. Same thing on the other side, going the other direction. Use the corner, lay it flat. Little cleanup. Excellent. Rinse that. Now feel around. We're baby smooth. We are good. 2 passes. Excellent. Cheeks, chin, neck, all good. A cold water rinse to the face. Now take your Shave Nation wide stick Allen block, remove the cap under the cold water. Just glide that all around the areas you shaved. Seal off any nicks or weepers, tighten the skin. It's an astringent. Feels like an ice cube when you soak it under the cold water. Excellent finish to your shave. Recap that, set it down. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Feels really good, that cold water on the skin. Freshly shaved skin. All right, pat the face dry. I like to leave it slightly damp. You don't need to scrub your face. Layering right on top of the Taylor of Old Bond Street Sandalwood Shaving Cream is Taylor of Old Bond Street Luxury Sandalwood Cologne. Right there. Remove the cap. A little bit in the fingertips. Oh yeah, smells just like the shaving cream. Very nice. It's nice, sweet. Good smell. Excellent shave provided by this Shave Nation SN245 step-up razor. Very easy to grip, very comfortable. Drop it in the palm, spin it. Closed comb, smooth shaving. The specs on this razor, it weighs in at 4 ounces or 113 grams. The overall length from top to bottom is 3.6 inches or 92 millimeters. As far as aggressiveness, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this razor a 7, even with the derby blade. 2 passes, cleaned me up really nice. See a little sparkle right there. What is that? A little piece of plastic or something. I don't know what that was. All right, 2 passes, cleaned me up very nicely. I'm baby smooth, cheeks, chin, neck, mustache, everything. By the way, if you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there. We'll have links down there. Just click on it. It'll take you right to the item. You can pick it up. If you want the razor, just go to shavenation.com, enter in the search box SN245. It'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 700 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.